All right, guys, no intro for this one. This video is a clothing haul. I've not done one of these in a while, so I'm kind of excited to have some new clothes, even though I don't need them. Because if you look behind me, I don't know if you guys can see it. Right down here on the floor, there's a big basket of clothes I was going through because it has summer and a little bit of winter stuff mixed in. I was pulling the summer stuff out, but I have my factory connection haul. So let's get into this. I'm going to pull my drawer out like I always do. And I got some things in here that I don't normally buy from factory connection. So first, let's start with jewelry. You know, I always get some jewelry pretty much. So we've been getting really cute jewelry. And the first pair I got are these beautiful pale pink stones with rhinestones down here on the bottom, and they're more of a copper, like a burnished antiqued copper finished on the metal. Super cute, not real big. I really like those. And then the other pairs I got, because this is a card, is in silver. Let me put these where you guys can see them. They're falling down a little bit. I wear teal a lot. It's one of my favorite colors, teal. So I got these, and they'll actually kind of match this shirt. And you'll see one of the other things I got, it'll match. So some plain little texturized hoops, these beautiful threaded like teardrops, and then these gorgeous opalescent. They do have a hint of teal. My light is washing them out. And then little rhinestones on the bottom, and they're all silver tone. These were $5.99. These were $3.99. So I got those. Next up, and this is why I said I got something I don't normally get, but I thought I would try them because they're gold toe. I love gold toe brand. And this is a pair of sandals, flip-flop sandals, because they do have the heel on the back. And they have rhinestones on them. Oh my gosh, you know I like things that sparkle and shine. These are a size 9, and they were $9.99. Yes, $9.99. So super cute. We'll sit them right here. Next up, I'm going to show unmentionables. So if you don't want to see unmentionables, look away for just a couple of seconds. Okay, guys? Okay. We got this set in. I was like, oh, that is so cute. So here is the bra. It is not even really padded. There's just a little bit of foam in there to hold the shape. So there's no like lift up or anything. It's just see, there's just a thin little bit of foam. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, how pretty. And then there is the matching undies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The undies were $4.99, and they got the beautiful little lace detail going down the front. Little bow up at the top. And then the bra has the lace detail and the little bow. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. You can't wear that under white, but you can wear it under some colors. And then I got this top, and I have 2 other tops that are made like this, and I love them. So that's when I saw this one come in, and it was very spring, which the lace, the sleeve is full lace with a belled sleeve. I may take that up and narrow it down a little bit. I don't know, but it's one of the like printed with the lace over it. And I have an animal print one like this, and I have one like this that's more kind of fallish colors. It's pretty much the exact same top. I love this. Love it. Lord, when my shirt is too big to get into the full screen. The problems of being a fat girl. I'm sorry. But yeah. And this was $19.99. So super cute. And then the other thing I got was just a basic cami. I can always use a nude color basic cami to wear under things. So, and those were, I think, $8.99. Yes, $8.99 on the basic camis. And then the last thing, my bag fell down, is a kimono. And guys, I have a ton of kimonos. We sell a lot of them at the store. But this one's purple. And where did those earrings go? And these earrings kind of match back this teal in the leaves, and I know it's hard to see on here, but super cute. And I'll go ahead and push the story out. And I know it does not match with what I have on. There's that basket. Super cute with denim or a white jean. Super cute. I love this lace going down the front. And this one was only $15.99. So, yep, that is my clothing allowance for this month. So, I got shoes, I got earrings, I got underwear, and I got 3 tops. And I didn't get any bottoms because we didn't really have a whole lot to choose from. We're not getting a ton of supply or inventory in at the present moment. So, like, everything in there I already have. And we can't wear ripped or holey denim at work. So, everything had holes in it. So, I couldn't get that. So, I didn't get any bottoms this go around, which is okay. I got the shoes. I got the sandals instead. But that is my clothing allowance, just really quick for this month. And as always, guys, give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item out of this month? And I'll see you guys on the next one.